Welcome to my channel. I brought you Nigeria guy who rode his bike through the flood. Please, my advice to everyone, don't undermine or underrate the power of the flood. Wherever you see it, please stay away. I want you to see this guy now. He carried two people with him. Two of them escaped out of the flood, but he insisted going through it. And then you see him struggling with the bike. He eventually lost his life. It is my prayer that we won't lose our loved one through this flood. But its wisdom is profitable to direct. Stay away from the flood. Stay away from it. Flood can be destructive. See him struggling with the bike and the flood. Struggling with his life. Struggling. See him? Eventually the flood swept him away. Flood can be destructive. Please stay away from it. This is my advice to all my viewers all over the world, particularly in Nigeria. Thank you. On the comment section, let's interact. Let me know what you feel about him. And don't forget to be part of my growing YouTube family. Please do subscribe to my channel. I would so much appreciate it. Till I come your way next time. Bye.